Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure user roles using Auth0 for mobile apps. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure user roles using Auth0 for mobile apps, start by logging into your Auth0 dashboard. Navigate to the Applications section and select the application you want to configure. In the Application Settings, scroll down to the Add-ons tab. Look for the Authorization extension and enable it if it's not already activated. Once enabled, click on the Roles tab within the Authorization extension. Here, you can create new roles by clicking on the Create Role button. Enter a name for the role and provide a brief description. After saving the role, navigate to the Users section in the Authorization extension. Select the user you want to assign a role to. In the User Profile, click on the Roles tab. Here, you can assign the newly created role to the user. Make sure to save your changes after assigning the role. Next, go to the Rules section in the Auth0 dashboard. Create a new rule to enforce role-based access control. Use JavaScript to check the user's roles and grant or deny access based on them. In your mobile app, integrate the Auth0 client to handle user authentication. When a user logs in, retrieve their roles from the Auth0 profile. Use the retrieved roles to determine the features and access levels within your app. Test your configuration by logging in with users assigned different roles. Verify that each user sees only the features available to their assigned role. Make adjustments as needed based on your testing results. Your user roles are now configured for mobile apps using Auth0. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.